Kicking it old school and taking it back in the day. It's Jer Radio.
Con promesas de sus socios, firmando decretos como si fuera un faraón, desmantelando agencias, rompiendo la institución. ICE en los barrios, familias separadas, mientras el gabinete aplaude con manos sucias y manchadas. Aranceles que golpean al trabajador primero, mientras el rico en Mar-a-Lago brinda con su dinero. Medios llamados enemigos, jueces intimidados. Esto es libertad o control disfrazado. No King, el pueblo grita en las plazas. No King, no se rompen estas razas. No King, la historia nos lo enseñó. El poder sin límites todo lo destruyó. No King, el pueblo grita en las plazas. No King, no se rompen estas razas. No King, la historia nos lo enseñó. El poder sin límites todo lo destruyó. Recortando educación, recortando salud, mientras perdona a sus amigos con total virtud. Doge desmontando lo que el pueblo construyó. Un gobierno para pocos, eso nunca nos salvó. Migrantes que trabajan la tierra que él vendió. Deportados en vuelos mientras él aplaudió. Señalando a los débiles, culpando al de abajo. Esa es la táctica vieja del poder más rancio y bajo. Las mentiras cuentan miles desde que tomó el poder. La prensa lo documenta, él lo niega sin querer. Reescribir la historia, controlar el relato. Eso no es gobernar, eso es un auténtico atentado. No King, el pueblo grita en las plazas. No King, no se rompen estas razas. No King, la historia nos lo enseñó. El poder sin límites todo lo destruyó. No King, el pueblo grita en las plazas. No King, no se rompen estas razas. No King, la historia nos lo enseñó. El poder sin límites todo lo destruyó. Los reyes caen, las repúblicas resisten, las calles recuerdan lo que los palacios olvidan. No hay corona que aguante cuando el pueblo se levanta. No hay muro que detenga la voz que ya se planta. Esto es para los que marchan con los pies cansados, para los que gritan con los pulmones apretados, para los que no olvidan lo que está en juego hoy. No King, ni aquí ni nunca, eso soy. No King, el pueblo grita en las plazas. No King, no se rompen estas razas. No King, la historia nos lo enseñó. El poder sin límites todo lo destruyó. No King, el pueblo grita en las plazas. No King, no se rompen estas razas. No King, la historia nos lo enseñó. El poder sin límites todo lo destruyó. Boricua Flow, día.
Two aides prepared talking points about border security and national sovereignty. He thought this would be another policy debate. He had no idea what AOC had obtained through a congressional subpoena filed 8 days earlier. The first 31 minutes were exactly what Miller expected. Questions about detention facility capacity, processing timelines, legal authority for family separation policies. Miller gave his rehearsed answers, cited executive orders, referenced operational necessities. He looked comfortable, almost dismissive. Then AOC took the microphone. Mr. Miller, the room shifted. That particular energy when everyone knows something is about to break. People stopped scrolling their phones. Journalists put down their coffee. Even the stenographer looked up. I want to talk about a contract. A specific contract that your office approved in March of this year. She opened the manila folder, pulled out a single document, held it up so the cameras could see. This is a detention services agreement between the Department of Homeland Security and a private contractor called Secure Borders, Inc. The contract is for the operation of family detention facilities along the southern border. She set it down. The contract specifies a payment structure, and I am going to read this exactly as it appears on page 7, section 4, subsection B. Quote, Contractor shall receive compensation at a rate of $775 per individual per day for all individuals housed in contractor facilities. Payment shall be calculated on a daily basis regardless of facility capacity utilization. Minimum guaranteed payment shall be based on 85% facility capacity. End quote. She looked up $775 per person per day. That includes children, infants, toddlers, teenagers. Every single person detained generates $775 in daily revenue for this contractor. Miller leaned forward slightly. Congresswoman, detention operations require significant resources. Facility maintenance, staffing, medical services, food provision, security protocols. These are complex operations that I am going to stop you right there. AOC's voice was calm but firm. I did not ask about operational costs. I asked about the payment structure. $775 per person per day. Let me put that in perspective for this committee and for everyone watching. A family of 4 detained for 30 days generates $93,000 in payments to this contractor. A single child detained for 90 days generates nearly $70,000. She pulled out another document. And according to DHS records that we obtained between March and August of this year, an average of 2,847 individuals were detained daily under this contract. That is $2.2 million per day, going to Secure Borders Inc. Over those 6 months, total payments exceeded $400 million. Miller's expression did not change, but his left hand moved to his water glass, picked it up, set it down without drinking. Congresswoman, I would need to review the specific contract terms and payment schedules before I could. AOC did not let him finish. Mr. Miller, your signature is on page 34 of this contract. Authorization signature, dated March 8th. You personally approved this payment structure.
Brand new flavor. Coming at you now. It's Jer Radio. It's Jer Radio. Jer Radio. Jer Radio.